Joyful learning techniques and creative pedagogical practices. As a biology teacher, I believed that life sciences should be learned through direct observation and real life experience rather than only inside the classroom. I therefore adopt joyful, experimental, activity based, and learner centered teaching methods that connect biology with the nature, local culture, and students' daily lives. I regularly conduct biology classes outside the classroom by taking students to paddy fields, sacred groves, forests, biodiversity parks, farms, and environmentally sensitive areas. These field visits help students observe biodiversity, ecosystems, plant diversity, and ecological relationship in their natural surroundings. Students record their observations, interact with the farmers, environmentalists, and local resource persons, and relate scientific concepts to real life situations. Paddy cultivation is gradually declining in our region. To create awareness about conservation of indigenous rice varieties and traditional farming practices, students visit paddy fields and interact with the experienced farmers. They actively participate in paddy transplantation, cultivation, and harvesting. The school has developed a demonstration paddy field and terrace paddy garden where students learn every stage of cultivation. They also understand the cultural tradition and festivals associated with the rice cultivation, integrating biology with nature, culture, heritage, and sustainable agriculture. The school campus has been developed as a living laboratory with an arboretum, biodiversity garden, Navagrahavana, Nakshatravana, and Rashivana. Students identify plant species, maintain records, and learn their ecological importance with the guidance from experts. Every student plants a tree on his or birthday and takes responsibility for watering and caring for it. Students also nurture the tree associated with their birth star, promoting environmental responsibility while introducing them to traditional ecological knowledge. Students participate in the Hug a Tree campaign to develop emotional attachment towards nature. School vegetable gardens are maintained with the support of agriculture experts using organic manure prepared on the campus. Students compare crops grown with the organic and chemical fertilizers and study difference in plant growth, soil health, and crop quality. Vegetables are also cultivated in reused plastic bags and containers to promote recycling and sustainable living. Water conservation is taught through practical activities. Students construct soap pits in the school campus and are recognized to and encouraged to build similar structures at home. They participate in maintaining rainwater harvesting system and borewell recharge units under teacher guidance, developing practical understanding of water conservation. Students bring traditional food items of Tulunadu and explain their nutritional value, preparation methods, and culture importance. This integrates biology with the health, education, and local knowledge. Regular laboratory experiments, ICT enabled lessons, digital content, virtual laboratories, animation, and simultaneous make difficult biological concepts easy to understand and enjoyable. Students prepare seed balls using native plant seeds and disperse them in the suitable areas during the monsoon to promote natural regeneration. Educational visits are organized to organic farms, vermicomposting units, water purification plants, and biodiversity centers. Experts from agriculture, forestry, biodiversity conservation, and environmental science interact with the students and provide practical knowledge. Students are encouraged to plant indigenous tree species in their homes and communities. School programs also highlight the relationship between biodiversity, traditional festivals, local foods, and regional changes, helping students appreciate Indian knowledge system and environmental conservation. These joyful and experimental learning practices have significantly improved students' curiosity, scientific temper, creativity, environmental awareness, framework, leadership, observation skills, and problem solving abilities. By connecting biology with nature, culture, sustainability, and community participation, students develop a deep understanding of scientific concepts while becoming environmentally responsible and socially conscious citizens. During the summer season, students participate in a bird water bowl initiative. Earthen pots and water bowls are placed at different locations on the school campus for birds and other small animals. Students take responsibility for cleaning and refilling the bowls every day and observe the different bird species that visit them. They record their observations and discuss the importance of conserving biodiversity and showing compassion towards all living beings. This simple activity develops environmental awareness, empathy, responsibility, and respect for nature while reinforcing biological concepts related to ecosystem and wildlife conservation.